How to find calls, ringtone settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find calls, ringtone settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and then just click notifications and scroll down until you find the ringtone here. Then just click on it and click settings, and here you can change it, and that's it. Then just select anything you want here and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.